There we go. Oh yeah, it's way up right now. I can see some smallies already. Little tiny doinks, but hey, oh, that's a good smallie. I know, there's a ton of oh my God, look how big that thing is. Dude, it just swam under your kayak. Jesus Christ, that was huge. Well, what's going on, guys? Your boy TrollsAlmighty here, and today, as you can see, we got both the Noahs. Look at that one. Look at that one. He's so cute. But as you can see, we are bringing you a kayak episode. We have yet to do this on the channel. Well, we were supposed to do it on the channel, but unfortunately my battery pack is dunzo. Oh yeah, I'm casting against that. Give me a fish. Right now, if you guys can see by the geography at least, we are now at Chad's. That's where we dropped in. Come on, baby. You know you want to smack it. Right there. Bird nest and in a tree. You can't ask for a better day. Noah set a hook in his thumb last time we were here, so I'll let you guys see that. Gonna be running a few different setups today. I'm starting out with the Mach 2 speed stick by Luz. It is a 6'6" medium heavy, and I'm throwing the Choppo on it. But I've also got my 6-foot Bill Dance medium. Oh, that was a sick cast. Let's go. I'm gonna start out with the top water today. See what that does for me. But the objective for today is to get some toad smallies, maybe even some rock bass. Looks like Noah's also using the Whopper Plopper. Other Noah is using the spinner, and we're just gonna see what we can get today. The water's up actually a decent amount, so we shouldn't have to get out too much like we did last time. I know you guys didn't see it, but we legit had to walk like 2 hours of this river dragging our kayaks. Oh, that place looked like the spot a fish should be. Where you were casting right there? Sick. Sick. Just started recording and then I set it right into a tree. That's sick. I want this forever. Just doing the grotto. Oh, the hatred I have for fucking plants. It's fucking dumb. Look at what I'm dealing with here. Are you kidding me? All these plants, man. Look at this. All right, we should be good to go now. Some rip to all the fishing over here that might have been. Oh, this is fucking dumb. Oh, it's gonna be like this all day, boys, let me tell you. Damn, I just missed a back-to-back strike and wasn't recording. That was terrible. All right, I need to start kayaking. Let's go, dude. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. We just got off some rain. It rained about a day ago. Of course, it's the aftermath of Dorian coming through. So the water is up, I'd say about 6 to 8 inches. So imagine what it was like when the water was low and we had to go over those rapids back there. It was literally getting hung up and having to get out every single time. Fishing during Dorian. I'm in the middle of the river and that was a rock. All right, guys, nothing doing, so let's keep on going. Well, boys, look who claims the first fish of the day. Alpha Noah. Well, and there he goes. Sorry. Doinks will be doinks, baby. Let's go. Give it to me. First fish of the day. There ought to be some smallies in here. It's a really shelfy rock. Well, guys, we're about an hour into the trip, I'd say. And surprisingly, the fishing is kind of slow right now. Like I said, we just came off some rain, so there should be some oxygen in the water. The water should be a little bit cooler. I've only gotten 2 blow-ups so far, and I missed both of them because they were tiny fish. Literally, I just missed a fish. If I could talk, that'd be sick. But I literally just missed a fish that blew up right next to my kayak, so I started recording. I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be a musician. I want to be an internet personality. Cannot talk. We're in a section of the river where there's a lot of slow-moving water, and I know most of you smallie hunters are like, well, that's not perfect. Said, I know the conditions are not ideal. However, there are a ton of little rock islands jutting up in the center of the water, so that gives them a lot of ambush points, a lot of things that we can't really see. In fact, we just passed a rock shelf that you would not have even expected to be there. Even some little doinks ought to be in here. But as slow moving as this water is, though, I might be trying out the popper here in a second. We've also got some good old michelobes, so that will be assisting us throughout the day. It's starting to get a little bit shallow. I can actually hear some falls up in front of us. What? That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh, it was a shad. I thought it was a lizard. Oh my God, I thought there was a skink clinging to this rock. Come on, baby. I just want to get a blow up and it pull me in the water. That actually happened the last time we were kayaking. What? Is that a fish? Let's go. Noah's a little bit behind me. He catches the second fish. I mean, he's just killing it. Of course, he's using a Ned rig, so my boy's going to be catching doinks, baby. I'm looking for that solid 1-pounder. Well, that's what I'm talking about. I literally just hit a rock out of nowhere and it flipped me around. I think my plan for the rest of the day is actually to take the Choppo off. I know that sounds crazy. I love the Choppo. But I think I'm going to take the Choppo off and use the popper on this 6-foot. What the hell? Oh, I thought it was a fish. What is it? What the fuck is this? Welcome to Southwest Virginia, baby. I actually think that's what I'm gonna do. As much as I love the Choppo, I think I am actually gonna take it off. I think it'd be more fun to catch it on a popper, honestly. And then I can throw a spinner, have 2 different presentations. That way I'm not just working the top water, plus it's about to get hot, so. But there's a ton of slow moving water, so I think this popper is gonna be more of the ticket. That felt so weird. That felt just like a bite. There's a fish eating on the top water right next to my lure. Alrighty, still not wanting anything, so let's go ahead and take on this rapid up here. Cut it. Let's go. That's not bad, whatever it is. I think it's a smallie. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That's a solid little smallie right there. Let's go, boys. That's right, match or better. F you. That's a chunk, dude. I don't know what you're talking about. It's certainly fatter than yours. No, yours is longer. Mine was fatter. Guaranteed, dude. Oh, boys. I figured there'd be a smallie over there. I'm only taking him over here so I can get him in the sun so we can get a good look at him. Let's go, boys. First little smallie of the day. Wow, look at his eyes. He's so pretty. He's just looking around. He is a toad to be. I'd say he's just shy of 1 pound. He's about where Noah was sitting now. Well, let's go. First little smallie of the day. He's a nice little smallie. You can't complain about catching these fish. See you later, big guy. Well, guys, if you didn't notice, I happen to be in a different mode of transportation. We found a John boat and we said, hey, you know what'd be a good idea? Taking it. So what am I doing now? Standing up in a John boat we found on a bank on the side of the river, fishing. This John boat is probably 3 times my age, and I'm 20. I have to catch a fish out of this exact stance I'm standing in. I'm gonna set it and I'm gonna fall in. I'm gonna set this hook and fall in. Come on, I'd want my first fish to be a red eye on this John boat. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to start bailing right now. Oh, it's up to my ankles. Only downside of said John boat, it needs to be sawn in half and fixed by Flex Seal. This is the only bail I got though. I'm gonna have to find like some fucking trash on the side of this bank and use it as a bail. This little bottle is not doing it. But I gotta catch at least 1 fish in this thing for the video's sake. I don't even care if it's a little red eye. In fact, I welcome it. All right guys, that is the plan. I'm going to catch a fish out of this John boat and then I'm switching back to my kayak. But I have to do it. I mean, it's a must. I've gotten bites on this all day. Well, back to bailing, I guess. Let's go. Let's go. First fish on the John boat to doink, boys. Oh, let's get this guy off. I know, right? I mean, I was hoping for a doink, honestly. I'm not gonna be able to get my pliers. That's fun. Let's just take a seat in the old John boat. Oh, doinks will be doinks, boys. But this is the first fish on the John boat. So let's get a release video of the nice. Oh, look at his colors. He's so pretty. I love smallies, man. All right, buddy. See you later. Thanks for coming. All right, now I gotta figure out how to get back in my kayak. Well, boys, caught me a little red eye. Came up and slammed this thing. I legit was just trying to tune my bait caster again after throwing it on the ground because I am switching from my kayak, or to my kayak from a John boat. But this little guy come up and slammed it. See you later, big guy. Kind of open water right here, kind of in the sun. I really just want to get somewhere shady. Slim shady. Shady, baby. Oh yeah, this is better. It's way cooler here. Got some slow moving water. It's in the middle of the day though. That's why I'm thinking these shade pockets are gonna be the best bet for us. You got a fish? Damn, I saw it. Hey, the camera probably picked you reeling that thing in, so we'll count it. No way. Back to back, baby. Let's go. That's a little chunk. It's a red eye, isn't it? He didn't come off, did he? Oh no, you just let him slack out. It's so cool to catch him on a kayak and then watch him swim back. Yep, 2 o'clock. So it's pretty fucking toasty right now. Turning the bite off like crazy. That's why your Ned Rig's killing it right now. Boys, look at what came up and said hello to the popper. What a pretty fish. I've never caught in a bluegill ever. Let's go, doubled up, baby. Oh, he just came off too. But take a look at this bluegill, man. Look at the colors, man. I'm trying to get a better angle with the sun. There we go, that's a little better. He's so pretty. But we've had him out of the water for a little bit. He got hooked in the brain apparently. So let's get a release video of this guy. First bluegill ever. See you later, big guy. Just walking it around like a dog. Got him on a leash, dude. You ready? Boys, take a look at that fish. Let's go. He's so pretty. Take a look how dark he is. It's really rare. And he's freaking chunk, boys. Alrighty. Let's get a release video of him. You just fucking bit my See you later, buddy. He was pissed. Look at that, boys. Biggest red eye of the day by far. Let's go. He only spined Noah like 12 times, so that's okay.
I don't know. In my sunburn, look at those pink legs, baby. Look at those pink legs.
Let's go. See you later, buddy.
Oh, I'm pissed.
Why? Well, boys, the plopper kill me. There we go, boys. Wasn't recording when I caught this guy, but the popper takes another victim today. He's got a nice gold coloration pattern on his face. Let's get a release video of the guy. See you later, buddy. Well, guys, we are on the last leg of the trip today. It was about an 8 to 9 hour float. We all pulled out a ton of fish, honestly. And I think the best way to end this night off is with some walleye fishing. So what we're gonna do is get this JON boat and every one of the kayaks out onto land itself. That way we don't have to worry about it sinking, because it is leaking, in case you guys didn't notice. All right, guys, we've got everything loaded up onto the trailer. I'm just gonna give it a few more casts. Like I said, we're gonna be walleye fishing just for the end of the video, but I'm only gonna give it about 10 casts before we go ahead and get ready to call it a day. I fucking love them. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's 100% bird nesting. All right, guys, we're gonna give it 5 more. If we don't get a walleye, we're gonna have to call it an episode, unfortunately. Well, guys, that's all she wrote for today, but don't worry, we got a surprise ending for you guys right now. I'm good, how are you? Okay, can I get a number 7 with a steak quesadilla? Can I get extra cheese on that quesadilla as well with a Baja Blast? Can I also get another number 7, please?
Steak also.
No, this one's chicken. Can I also get a chicken quesadilla with extra cheese? But I do want a Doritos Locos Taco and a large Baja Blast. And can I get 3 large cherry sunset freezes, and that's it. Yes! Oh, that was so sick. Come here, buddy. Oh, that was so sick. Oh, man. What a nice little smallie too. Yes, come here, big guy.